Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm here at the Children's Museum of Brownsville today. And today we're going to be making this fun experiment with science. All we're going to be using is a couple of ingredients you guys can find at your everyday household items, and it's really easy. The name of the experiment is called foamy soap. So today we're going to learn how to make our own foamy soap for the children, all the children out there. That makes it a little bit more fun when washing our hands or anything like that, okay? So let's go ahead and begin with our items. The first thing we're going to use today is soap. And you know, we have to use a certain brand of soap for this experiment, so we're going to have to use Dawn soap. It can be in any color, it's just that I like blue, so I picked blue. So remember, blue Dawn soap. We're going to be needing some baking soda, and it doesn't have to be as big as mine. We can also find them in the little small containers that we're going to need today. We're going to need 1 lemon, and it has to be lemon, boys and girls, remember. There's also little limes that look green, but this is a lemon, so we're going to have to use a lemon today. We're going to use 1 knife, and this knife is called the butter knife. So these are not as sharp, they have rigid edges, and we just have to be really careful when we're using any sharp items today. We're going to use 1 spoon, some measuring spoons, and a cutting board. This is to cut our lemons right here. 1 straw. It could be any color. It can be the flexi straws, or it can just be the regular straws I have today. 1 cup, just like this. It could be clear, it could be tall, it could be fat, just 1 cup. And some safety goggles, like always. We're going to be doing a science experiment, so we want to go ahead and begin by putting our safety goggles on. So you guys are ready? Let's go ahead and begin. The first thing we want to do is get our measuring spoons, and we want to get the one that says TSP 1. That means 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Like the other ones, as you can see, you must be wondering, which one should I use? There's some are small, some are big. Well, the difference really from the big ones is just these are called tablespoons. They're called TBSP. And we don't want to use that one. A lot of people might get them confused, but we want to use the little smaller version called TSP. So remember, TSP for 1 teaspoon. So we're going to get our teaspoon, and we want to go ahead and open our baking soda, and we want to just kind of dig in there, and we want to get a good amount of baking soda. So let's kind of shake the box, and we're going to come out with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And what we want to do is put it in the cup, just like that, kind of shake it, and we set it aside. Now, once we have our baking soda in there, we're going to get our soap, and we're going to open it. Now, this one is a little bit of a messy kind of science experiment, so remember always to have some napkins, because you guys don't want to be messy scientists, do you now? So we're going to get our Dawn soap, and we're going to put about just a little squirt like that. So, you know, it could be a lot, it could be a little. It's really up to you. The more soap, let me tell you, the more soap you put, the more foamy it's we're going to make right now. So once we have our baking soda in the bottom, as you can see, and our soap in the top, we want to get our spoon, and we're going to mix it. So we're just going to mix it, mix it, mix it. And then you're going to see it's kind of look like toothpaste. So it's going to be like this. And we're going to mix it and mix it. And see, like I said, it's kind of look like runny little toothpaste. And if you want to smell it, it's okay. It smells like soap, and it smells really good. So we're going to set this aside right over here. And next, boys and girls, for this part, we want to get mom or dad to come and help us, because this is the part where we're going to cut our lemon. So, boys and girls, once you have your parents right next to you, we want to get the butter knife, and you know, we want to tell mom and dad, cut the lemon right in the middle. So we want to put our fingers always away from the knife, and then we're just going to cut the lemon right in the middle, just like that. There you go. And we're going to have 2 little slices. Now, what we want to do is kind of get all the seeds out. So you can get them with your finger, or you can get them with the little knife as well, but just be very careful and take all the little seeds out, just like that. There you go. And make sure it has no seeds. If 1 or 2 little seeds get into your experiment, it's okay. It won't harm it. But let's just try to get all of them out. There you go. Once we get this out, we put this aside. And then this is where the fun begins. So we're gonna put our spoon right next over here with the items we're not using. And are you guys ready? Because I am. All right, let's count down. 3, 2, 1. And we're gonna squirt all the lemon out. All of it, all of it, all of it. All of it just like that. And if you guys are really, really quiet, you guys are gonna hear it's gonna go like a sizzling sound, like that. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix it all together just like that. And the faster you mix it, the more foam it's gonna create. So see, it's creating a whole bunch of foam. And this foam, this is your foam soap. So once we keep mixing it more and more, let's go ahead and add a little bit more lemon. It's gonna create into a big, big foam. So there you go. And then you wanna smell it? It smells really good. It smells like lemon. So we wanna mix it and mix it and mix it. So this, boys and girls, is something called chemical reaction. That means when you mix this right here, the baking soda, with the lemon, it reacts. So all the solid and the liquid create into a foamy substance. And that's when you get foam soap. So you want to kind of set this straw, and then you can touch it, it's harmless, and it feels really soft. So then you can go to the bathroom or you can go to the sink and get a little bit of soap, kind of put it all together. Let's try it out. Put it all together like that. It smells so good, it smells like lemon. And you get to wash your hands, okay? There you go. Let's just clean my hands because I don't have any water with me right now. So this is a fun way to make soap, you know, just to make it a little bit more fun when you're going to the bathroom and washing your hands, and it smells really, really good. Another thing you can use instead of lemons is oranges, because oranges and lemons have a whole bunch of little citrusy flavors that you guys, when you put them in, they react with the baking soda. So just in case you don't like the lemon scent, you can always do the orange, and they smell really, really good. And also remember, boys and girls, this is a good idea for a science experiment if science fair is coming up or anything like that, or it's just a fun way to, you know, spend time with your parents. For any more crafts or more videos of science-related items, you can visit our website at www.cmofbrownsville.com. There you will find more activities and other websites. You can enter our links and can see our full calendars of when we're going to do our science experiments, so you guys can come here at the Children's Museum of Brownsville. Thank you once again. My name is Lisa. Bye.